Let us start a new topic, colligative property. Colligative property. So, what is meant by colligative property? The colligative property is the property which depends upon number of solute particles and not depend upon nature of the solute particle. In simple way, we can say that it depends upon only number of solute particles and not depend upon nature of solute molecule. There are four colligative properties. First one, vapor pressure lowering. Second one, elevation in boiling point. Third one, depression in freezing point. And fourth one, it is a osmotic pressure. Let us consider one by one. First one, vapor pressure lowering. First, we have to take one example. When a volatile component or non-volatile component it close in a container, it exert pressure on their liquid. This is a vapor pressure. Let us take one example. While making solution, solute plus solvent gives solution. Solute plus solvent gives solution. In this case, by experimental method, it is proved that the vapor pressure of solvent is more than vapor pressure of solution. Means in simple way, we can say that let P01 is the vapor pressure of pure solvent and P1 is the vapor pressure of solvent in solution. In simple way, the conclusion is that the vapor pressure of solvent is more than vapor pressure of solvent in solution. Means when solution is formed at that time vapor pressure gets lowered. Hence the colligative property is known as vapor pressure lowering. To calculate how quantity of vapor pressure delta P is equal to P01 minus P1. Here P01 is the vapor pressure of pure solvent and P1 is the vapor pressure of solvent in solution. Next point, what is meant by relative lowering of vapor pressure? The relative lowering of vapor pressure is obtained by the ratio of lowering of vapor pressure to the vapor pressure of pure solvent. In simple way, this equation is divided by vapor pressure of pure solvent. In simple way, we can say that it is the ratio of vapor pressure of pure solvent divided by a vapor pressure of pure solvent. And according to Raoult's law, P01 minus P1 upon P01 is equal to X2. Where is a X2 is a mole fraction of solute, and we have to know that X1 plus X2 is equal to 1. Next point, molar mass of solute from vapor pressure lowering. This question is asked in board exam for 2 to 3 marks. Let us consider one by one. Mole fraction of solute is equal to N2 upon N1 plus N2. But colligative property is studied under a dilute solutions. Hence, in a dilute solution, the amount of or the moles of solvent is more greater than the moles of solute. Hence, X2 is N2 by N1 and N is equal to W upon M. Hence, corresponding N is equal to W2 upon M2 and N1 is equal to W1 upon M1. These X2 values are putting in this equation. We have to get a final equation. This equation is used to solve the problems. This is about the vapor pressure lowering. Now, next colligative property, boiling point elevation. Let us consider what is meant by boiling point. The boiling point is a temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure. The temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid is equal to atmospheric pressure, it is known as a boiling point. In simple way, while making a solution, solute plus solvent gives solution. At that time, the boiling point of solvent gets increased in a solution. In simple way, we can say that when solute plus solvent form a solution, at that time a solution has a higher boiling point than a pure solvent. Take a comparison. In vapor pressure lowering, the vapor pressure of solvent is greater, whereas in case of boiling point elevation, the boiling point of solution is greater. Let us take examples of symbols. T0b is the boiling point of solvent, Tb is the boiling point of a solution, means boiling point of a solution is greater than boiling point of pure solvent. The elevation in boiling point is calculated as delta Tb is equal to Tb minus T0b, because Tb means solution boiling point is greater than the pure solvent. Next point, boiling point elevation and concentration of solvent. The elevation in boiling point is directly proportional to molality of the solute, molality of the solution. This equation is right in the form of delta Tb is equal to Kb into m, where Kb is equal to ebullioscopic constant or molar elevation constant. The molar elevation constant, it has a unit, can be calculated as, if this equation is right for Kb, delta Tb upon m. The temperature has unit Kelvin and molarity has unit mole per kg. Hence, Kb has a unit Kelvin, kg, mole inverse. This is the unit for Kb. Next point, molar mass of solute from boiling point elevation. This question is also asked for 2 to 3 marks. From the boiling point elevation, delta Tb is equal to Kb into m, where m is equal to molarity, which can be calculated as moles of solute upon mass of solvent in kg. The moles of solute means N2 and the mass of solvent in kg means W1 upon 1000. This value is putting in delta Tb is equal to Kb into m. We have to get a final equation, delta Tb is equal to 1000 Kf into W2 upon m2 and m2 into W1. This is about the two qualitative properties. First, vapor pressure lowering and elevation in boiling point.